Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margaon, Vasco and Porvorim.
थोड्याच दिसांनी आमचो लेबर फोर्स वाडोवन सामकें स्ट्रॅटेजिकली काम ठरोवन कंप्लीट जाता तशें म्हाका दिसता ह्या पद्दतीन काम चालू जातलें. फुडल्या विकान हे कामाची स्पीडूय वाडोवंक शकता आनी वाडोवन हे थोडे स्ट्रेचीस आहा ते कंप्लीट करून आमी हँड ओवर करूंक शकता.
ओके. थोडे
फ्लोडिंग जातलें.
See, this is a question which everyone asks. I have just a few more days left. We will try to complete some works. See, many agencies have to work.
Okay.
The municipality also has to work. PWD also has to work. I don't want to get into this flooding versus non-flooding issue. Everyone knows what is best for Panji. We are putting our best foot forward.
सर monsoon काम बंद असलें का चालू असलें? Monsoon season.
Certain aspects of work will continue. Monsoons or no monsoons, if there is a project which is ongoing, if it is not affecting people, if it is not affecting traffic, if it is beneficial for the people, we will continue the work hard to complete.
चडशे त्या प्लेसीनी वयतात आमी पळयता नंबर ऑफ ट्रक्स तेंच्यांनी केन्ना शिरकोन उरता भितर वयता. कितें चेंजीस आसतले हेवी व्हेकला खातीर कितें तरी ती जीती एरिया
work on this traffic alignment has to be thought of. आज सांगपा जायना की बाबा हे हेवी व्हेकल्स सोडटले ओ ना सोडटले, बट ऑल्सो थिंकींग चालू आसा आम ते वेदर टू डू वन वे ट्रॅफिक और वेदर टू डू heavy vehicles barred zone. This I will talk to the police also, I will talk to the contractors.